Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks today. If you're new, I'm Laura. That's Zena over there. Wyatt is behind me, that white furry ball. And today I have a Vino box for you. This is a wine and lifestyle box for women, all about unwind, recharge, relax. I love this. It is a quarterly or seasonal subscription box. And one of my very favorite things about this particular box is, let's just say, you know what, you don't feel like you need your box for that particular season or quarter, you can send it to somebody else. Your sister, your best friend, your mom, your aunt, whomever you think may need to relax and unwind and recharge, you can just change the ship to address for that particular season and ship it to them and let them enjoy and relax. So it's so super easy to share the love. I love it. All right, so this box, it comes with usually 5 to 6 lifestyle goodies, as well as 2 bottles of wine. The wine comes from South Africa or California. They have, I think it's reds, whites, and sweets for you to choose from. So you can choose from those collections. And it is generally valued at $150 each season, but I have a code for you that's going to give you some extra gifts we're going to get into in just a minute. So right off the top is all of the fun lifestyle goodies. Let me get this box out and share with you. All right, so here's the first box we're going to go through. We're going to save the wine for last and talk about that last. And we're going to go through the goodies first. As I mentioned, it's 5 to 6 full-size items. And the price of this whole collection is $64.99, but with my code, it's $54.99 per season. And you get an extra bonus item. So you get $10 off plus a free item, which we're going to get to in a moment. All right, so inside you always get a little pamphlet that tells you about the items in your box. This one's called O for Me box. So I love that, the O for Me box. And the first thing I see, which happens to be the first item listed right here that tells you about it, is called the Swig Skinny Can Cooler. And it says that cold sips, no sweat, keep your favorite seltzer cold and your hands condensation free with our skinny can coolers. This cooler holds most 12-ounce slim can beverages, including hard seltzers, beer, energy drinks, sodas, and sparkling water, while keeping it cold for 12 plus hours and hot for 3 plus hours. Uses triple insulation technology, double walled, vacuum sealed, and copper plated. Oh, cool. And this one is valued at $25. I love the pretty, pretty flowers on there. I like this for outside on hot days. Put your drink in there, go outside on the patio, by the pool. So perfect. That's the first item. Next up, something by Joico. This is called the Defy Damage Hair Mask. This is a full size and it's valued at $25. And it says, oh, healthy hair, protect all hair types from the ravaging effects of daily heat styling, UV exposure, and environmental pollution that lead to dry, dull, lackluster locks with the Joico Defy Damage Protective Mask. This intense damage prevention mask helps replenish strength and moisture balance for soft, silky, skinny, healthy-looking hair in minutes. It's sulfate-free and formulated with smart release technology that includes ingredients such as rosehip oil, arginine, and keratin, and each treatment can reduce breakage up to 80% for 5 times stronger hair. All right, we're going to keep going. There's so much more. Next up, a cosmetic bag. Let's see if I can't get this out. This is called the My Tagalongs Cosmetic Bag. The retail value is $20. And it says this herringbone stitched pouch, here's the top, is large in size. You can store all your favorite makeup products in one place. Plus, it features a durable zipper and made of 100% recyclable polyester. It said the colors may vary. Just so you're aware of the size, it is 8.25 inches by 4.75 by 3. But it does have a really nice opening here. So it is quite, it's larger. Love this for travel, obviously. And it says it's earth friendly, so it is made from recycled material. The the retail value, I think I did mention $20. All right, what else? Always in, what is this? Always in high heels planner. It says, life is what happens between coffee and wine. I love the bubble bath. It says, oh yay, this 12-month planner will have you super organized and living your best life, featuring 64 pages and themed with all things wine. This planner features habit tracker, goal trackers, updated month at a glance, calendar pages, and note pages. By combining your goals, habits, schedule, and notes all in one place, these yearly planners eliminate clutter while keeping everything on your fingertips to help you be your very best. It's the perfect size to keep at your desk or toss in your bag. Plus, the extra note pages are perfect for meetings or to-do lists. There's some extra pages to show you. I love the little wines at the bottom. This is super cute. So goal tracker, habit tracker. Then there's notes for the months. This is so cute. And then in the back, there's actually blank pages for you to write on. So this one is valued at $30. All right, and then we have there's always a snack or a treat of some sort. And these are the Prairie Anise-free Peppernuts. So this is a spice. It says, need a little spice in your life? We'll look no further. These are Peppernuts, flavored spice cookies that are the perfect snack. Peppernuts have been a tradition in many German Mennonite families for centuries. These anise-free variety of peppernuts are a popular adaptation of the traditional recipe. Even more, these delightful bite-sized cookies are flavored with ginger, cloves, cinnamon, and produced with all natural ingredients and no artificial preservatives. Okay, this is valued at $2. So I like that they don't elevate the prices, but valued at $2. There's 150 calories in this bag. It's one serving. All right, so these sound, I'm gonna have to try them because now I'm very curious about them. Has anyone ever tried these? Let me know. I'm very curious, as I always am. Okay, here's what they look like. They do look like little tiny cookies. They basically have flour, sugar, butter, half and half cream, eggs, molasses, baking soda, salt, and spices. They're very good. I like them. Okay. Very good. All right, and then I mentioned a free item. If you use my code, which is, let me make sure I give you the right code. Yes, my promo code is HAPPY. If you use my code HAPPY, you will get $10 off the $64.99 price, and it'll be $54.99 a season. And you will get a free charcuterie board. Check this out. So it's a set of 2 bamboo cutting boards. I love this. So there's 2 of them in here, 2 different sizes. Great for charcuterie. Love this. And then you get the $10 off as well. So lots of useful products in the lifestyle portion of the box. You get the charcuterie board, the keep your drinks cold or hot, the cookies, the planner, the protective mask, as well as the cosmetic bag. All right. A little bit about that charcuterie set. So the retail value of it is $24. It's made from organic bamboo. The boards showcase a beautiful wood grain, sure to elevate any home aesthetic, and it also doubles as a cutting board, providing an ideal service that's gentle on knives. So it is eco-friendly, and it's highly durable. All right, that's all the items. What did you think? Love it. I think this is so fun. I love that it has the whole lifestyle vibe. It has a little bit of everything. And it is great for you to keep for yourself or to share with family and friends. Not to mention, the wine is always great to take to parties and to your friend's house. Okay, so don't forget, code HAPPY gets $10 off the subscription price as well as the free charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. All right, so I'll put all that information down below for you in case you would love to give this subscription a try. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love sharing this subscription. It is so much fun. Please do comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Hit that like if you did. Would hope you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. And if you already have, a huge thank you for the amazing support. I will catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.